How to buy Robux in Roblox in 2024. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy Robux and Roblox in 2024. This is a quick and simple process, so let's get started. First, make sure you have Roblox installed on your device. If you haven't done that yet, go ahead and download it from your App Store. Open the Roblox app on your device. Log into your account or sign up if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, tap the Robux icon at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see your balance and available Robux packages. If you're unfamiliar with Robux, let me tell you, it's the virtual currency that lets you purchase avatar upgrades or special abilities in different games. Select the package you want to buy. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. And that's it! Now you know how to buy Robux in Roblox in 2024. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.